Alice Leonard, and today I am here at Brass Hall as their guest bartender. I actually work at the Tipsy Alchemist on Rainey St in Austin, Texas, and if you don't want to visit me there, feel free to give me a follow at alice.thebartender on Instagram. Okay, so today I'm feeling a bit creative and I'm in the mood for something sweet but also something a bit spicy. And I was inspired by two ingredients, Mezcal and Chocolate Habanero Honey. Now that sounds very, very bizarre, but the spicy with the habanero and the chocolate is all three very, very rich flavors that could complement each other really, really well. So we are going to give that a try today. I feel confident in my skills as a bartender, so let's see. We are going to start off with 1.5 ounces of Mezcal. Followed by 1.5 ounces of Trader Vic's chocolate liqueur. Now to try and balance this out, we want to keep it not too syrupy, and we already have our liquor in there, and citrus might not complement it very well. So you're going to do a whole ounce of espresso. Now for the fun part. We are going to add 3 drops because I like the heat. I'm going to add our ice. Is that a good shake? And again, when your shaker tin is cold to the touch, you know that your cocktail is ready to pour. So, nice clean strainer, pretty glass. And now let's see. And there you have it. Some like it hot.